The 2000 Mazda 626. The Mazda 626 is a solid midsize car for driving through town or on the road. Passenger space and comfort are both decent. The 626 is a great everyday vehicle that will make sure you get where you need to be while enjoying the ride too, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.